Hello, Wonder VAs. This is Blessy from the VAME Philippines. So here's how to answer a very common question in an interview. Can you tell me about yourself? Kung wala kang idea kung paano sagutin to, then make sure to like and save this video. So madalas talaga, ito yung una na nagpa-pop na question sa job interview. Because the client wanted to know about you, about the skills that you have, or your suitability for the job that you're applying. So, ganito siya guys. Isipin natin para lang tong sandwich. Di ba yung sandwich may tinapay, may palaman, and then may tinapay ulit. So, parang ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. And we will call this a PPF sandwich or PPF method. So, paano ba yun? Ganito lang siya guys. This is the PPF sandwich or method that I'm talking about. All thanks to Google for this information. So we have here the present, the past, and the future. So actually, para lang tong quick rundown of your career journey. So for present, dito mo babanggitin lahat nung nagde-define sa'yo as a person and what led you to apply for this position that you're being interviewed for. For past naman, dito mo babanggitin lahat ng relevant experiences na makakatulong doon sa company na ina-applyan mo ngayon. Then for the future, dito mo babanggitin lahat ng mga gusto mong matutunan, gusto mong aralin for this company na gusto mong i-provide for them. So always remember to emphasize yung impact na nagawa mo doon sa company mo before. Bigyan ko kayo ng example kung paano. Hello, good afternoon or good day. Thank you for having me here today. So my journey in marketing and social media management began in my college years when I pursued Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship at X University. This is the time where I gained hands-on experience in our business implementation wherein we have to create our own business as part of our thesis. So this has allowed me to apply all my knowledge, learnings about marketing. After graduation, I got the chance to apply in our city as marketing manager for a burger business. I got the chance to create the entire social media strategy for the company. I successfully grown their social media platform, especially on Facebook, from 0 followers to 22,000 likers and followers. And I got the chance to garner 200 plus active accounts in their business. Moving forward, I'm really excited to be part of this company because I believe that this company will help me to expand the knowledge that I have now and the experiences that I have in my past or previous roles. I wanted to leverage my expertise in leading and managing a team. I wanted to explore more in this field because my heart really belongs to marketing. So that's how you do it. PPF method or PPF sandwich. So, lagi niyong tatandaan guys, parang binibenta niyo lang dito yung inyong skills that you have. So, make sure na kayo ay nag-research, na talagang inaral niyo yung company na ina-applyan niyo for that position. So, yun lang guys. I hope nakatulong ako. Good luck on your virtual assistant journey. Don't forget to like and follow us. Thank you guys.